Hey there! Welcome back to another cool video on Techniverse Spotted. In this video, we are going to see the full review of the Maono AU-A04 USB condenser microphone along with an audio test and the settings to record the best audio with this mic. Anyways, if we are done wasting time, let's just keep all the things aside and let the tech begin. I have already made a video on unboxing and installation of this mic. Do watch that video to understand how to instantly set up this mic. Now about the review. The TLDR version of whether you can consider this if you are a beginner is yes. It is still the best budget condenser microphone kit. I have been using this mic as my main audio recorder for all my videos for the last 2 years. And I can say that I am completely satisfied with this mic. This mic has got frequency response range of 30Hz to 16 kHz. It would have been great if we got up to 20 kHz as in the Blue Yeti and other competitors, which are a little bit costly, of course. This mic supports a sampling rate up to 192 kHz and records at a 24-bit, which is pretty decent in this price range. It captures the bass considerably okay from your voice. The noise cancellation is also good. I would say it is very much a great mic for beginners, whether it be voiceover videos, podcast or streaming. I love how there is no need to install any additional drivers when you connect with a Windows PC. It works directly with the pre-installed Realtek drivers. As it is a cardioid mic, make sure you record from the front side of the mic where the Maono logo is printed or you will end up with noisy audio. I keep the foam windscreen on and set up the pop filter about 2 inches away from the mic. Usually, I speak from about 2 inches again from the pop filter while recording. As this is a cardioid condenser microphone, the closer you are, the better the audio quality and lesser the noise and echo. Now, what are the best settings and how do I record with this mic? Well, the best way that I follow to get the best out of this mic is by using 3 softwares and a Windows PC. Don't get panicked by the number of softwares used. The reason I use them is to cancel the surrounding noise in real time. The 3 software that I use for my audio are Audacity, VB Audio and Reaper. I have made another video on how I record my audio cancelling the noise in real time. I will link it in the description and the cards in the top right corner. It could be very useful, especially for online streamers. I would highly recommend you to check that out. If you don't want to have that functionality and just want to record the normal audio, plug in your microphone. Now get into the sound settings and go to the sound control panel. Then you would be seeing this pop-up. If you are on Windows 11, you can directly find these options in the sound settings. Go to the recording tab, right click on the USB condenser microphone option and select Properties. Get into the Advanced tab and select 2 channels 24-bit 176 kHz from the drop-down. Now click on the Levels tab and set it to 80%. Apply the changes and OK. Open Audacity or whichever recording software you are using and set the input device to USB condenser mic and the output device to wherever you want to listen your audio. I am attaching some audio samples with the above configurations and settings for you to judge the quality. Hey there! A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is the audio directly from Audacity. Hey there! A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is the audio directly from Audacity. Hey there! A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is the audio coming from Reaper to Audacity via VB Audio software. And that was it guys for this video. Like this video if you enjoyed it and comment on the video suggestions you want to see next on our channel. And lastly, subscribe to Techniverse Spotted for more cool stuff.